Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y door alignment problems and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla Model Y vehicles, doors may appear slightly misaligned, sit proud or recessed compared to adjacent panels, require extra force to close, or create uneven panel gaps around the door openings. These concerns are generally related to body fit and finish rather than drivability. Propulsion, steering, and braking systems remain unaffected, but door closing feel, wind noise, water sealing, and overall appearance can be impacted. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, production period, and body assembly conditions rather than indicating a universal defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves manufacturing tolerance stack-up. Door shells, hinges, latches, body openings, and seals are all produced within allowable tolerances. When multiple components fall toward one end of their tolerance range, visible door misalignment can occur even though parts remain within specification. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, transport handling, or prior body adjustments, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Hinge and latch adjustment behavior has also been reviewed. Doors are aligned during assembly using adjustable hinges and latch mechanisms. As a possible contributing factor, minor shifts during transport, temperature changes, or early use could influence alignment in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Seal compression and body settling are additional documented considerations. Door seals compress over time, and body mounts can settle slightly after initial driving. This settling can subtly change how the door sits relative to surrounding panels, particularly shortly after delivery. Environmental and handling factors further influence appearance. Temperature differences can cause slight expansion or contraction of body panels and doors, and lighting angles can make alignment variation more noticeable even when measurements fall within tolerance. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection of door gaps and flushness against factory specifications, evaluation of hinge and latch positioning, and assessment of seal condition. Depending on findings, door realignment or latch adjustment may be recommended following service inspection. Reviewed information indicates that Tesla Model Y door alignment problems are not universal and often relate to tolerance variation, adjustment limits, early settling behavior, or environmental influences rather than structural or safety-related issues. In conclusion, Tesla Model Y door alignment issues are generally linked to manufacturing tolerance stack-up, hinge and latch adjustment behavior, seal compression, and early body settling rather than a defect affecting vehicle operation. The issue varies by vehicle and production conditions, and proper inspection is required to determine whether corrective action is appropriate. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.